Hello and welcome to our new video. In the ever-evolving landscape of digital content creation, the emergence of AI-driven technologies has opened up a world of possibilities. Among these advancements, HeyGen AI stands out as a promising contender in the realm of AI avatar generation. With its user-friendly interface and impressive results, HeyGen AI is poised to revolutionize the way content creators engage with their audience. The link to HeyGen AI is in the description. Upon exploring HeyGen AI, it becomes evident that the platform offers a seamless experience from start to finish. The sign-up process is straightforward, allowing users to quickly create a free account and begin their avatar creation journey. The inclusion of both video and text instructions ensures that users of all skill levels can easily navigate the platform and achieve optimal results. One of the standout features of HeyGen AI is its ability to generate lifelike avatars with minimal effort. By following simple recording guidelines, users can create high-quality footage that serves as the basis for their AI avatar. The platform's intuitive recording interface, complete with a teleprompter-like setup, makes the recording process a breeze. Additionally, HeyGen AI offers the option to upload pre-recorded footage, providing flexibility for users who prefer this method. The generated avatars produced by HeyGen AI exhibit impressive realism, capturing facial expressions and movements with remarkable accuracy. While some minor limitations, such as limited animation and accent discrepancies, may be present in the initial iterations, the platform's potential for fine-tuning and voice cloning offers promising avenues for further customization and improvement. Beyond its ability to create engaging avatars, HeyGen AI boasts a range of potential applications across various industries. From marketing content and personalized videos to learning and development initiatives, the platform offers versatile solutions for content creators, businesses, and educators alike. In conclusion, HeyGen AI emerges as a frontrunner in the AI avatar generation landscape, offering a user-friendly interface, impressive results, and versatile applications. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.